We are the best. You want the worst? You go across the street. You want the best? Stay right where you are.
What's goody, what's goody? It is your girl, the best fowler, and I am back again with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you're notified of when I next upload. So I was just scrolling YouTube like I always do, and I found this nail design, and I was like, oh my goodness, this is beautiful. The artist's page is Bomb Nails, so go show her video some love because she did it first, and I'm just recreating it. This video is going to be on the longer side, so if I don't talk the whole way through, you know why. But how are you guys today? I hope everybody is doing well. Drop a smiley face in the comment section if you are having a great day. If you're not having the best day, I do hope my video brings you some joy. Today is Friday, September 8th. It is 1:26 p.m. and the weekend was a pretty simple weekend for me. I do want to let you guys know that I am starting a new job. This is going to be a part-time job in addition to my full-time job, so I'll be a lot more busy than I usually am. Hopefully I could still roll out the content for you guys like I've been doing, but it might slow down even more instead of increasing, but I hope you guys stick with me through this because your girl need the money at the end of the day. But enough of all that, let's get into this nail design. I am keeping in the prep for this video, which is why it's so long. If you guys want to see my prep more often in my videos, let me know. So I don't know why, but I dropped the ball and I did not take any pictures after I did my left hand for some reason. I don't know why, because these nails were so pretty and they came out just like the picture, and that doesn't typically happen for me, so I do apologize in advance because I didn't get any pictures of this set. So everything that I am using will be linked down below in the description box, including my nail drill. That came from Amazon. I did a review on it a couple of videos back, so go check that out if you haven't already. But the drill is cordless. I really like it. I've been using it for a while now, and I love this drill. It's just like my old one, but a tinge better. And just not having to worry about plugging in the drill while you're working just makes everything much simpler and easier. Take it from me, if you are a nail tech or if you just do your own nails, you need a cordless drill. This is a Makartt drill and it is very inexpensive on Amazon. These are the extra long C-curve square tips, and they came with this glue. It's just called nail glue. It's nothing special or spectacular, but it really does work. I use it on my nails anytime I am applying tips, and then I also give it to clients if they are ordering press-on nails, and we all love it. I am now taking this little tool. If you know the name of this tool, drop it down in the comment section because I have no clue what it's called. But I take this tool and I clip the nails down just a little bit, not too much. Then I go in with these straight edge nail clippers and I clip around the sides, just getting rid of all that excess nail tip that I'm not going to use because we are doing stiletto. And y'all, I got these nail clippers off of Amazon. It was like a 6-pack for like $15. I thought that was a steal because you always need nail tips or nail clippers. And I like to use the ones with the straight edge versus the curve because the curve, they'll mess up your shape for real. So now I do go in with my nail drill to further shape up the nail tip. And then after I go in with the nail drill, I will take a hand file to perfect everything. All of these different methods definitely play a role in me cutting down the time that it takes me to do a set of nails. Hopefully it helps you too. Alright, and so for the polygels that we are using today, we are using MOROVAN, ROSALIND, and we are using HAVENFLY. I didn't have all of these colors in one brand, so I had to mix and match. We're also mixing and matching glitters. These glitters, majority of them came from Heidi's Nail Supply, which is located in Parma, Ohio. So sorry if you can't get those glitters, but I'm pretty sure you can find some similar ones off of Amazon. Y'all already know we are going in with our Young Nails Protein Bond, and we are using 2 coats of that. Because we are doing a lot of layering and different things with this nail set, I did switch it up and I'm using a thinner base coat, which is the AB gel, instead of the A Milli Builder Base Gel. My thought process is we have a lot of layering to do and I'm going to be encapsulating, so I don't want the nails to be too thick. That is why I decided to go in with the thinner base gel versus the thicker base gel. First up, we are applying the yellow HAVENFLY Polygel, and we're just going ahead and spreading that all over this nail. This will be a solid nail. I do have a video on my page using the yellow HAVENFLY Polygel. I really like this polygel. It's very easy to work with and the color is really pretty. Now we're taking this blue from MOROVAN. I don't believe I've used these colors in a video before, but I do like the MOROVAN and it does glow in the dark. I didn't even realize it glowed in the dark until after I did the whole set and turned off the lights. This nail is a 2-part ombre. We use the blue from MOROVAN and then we use the yellow from HAVENFLY. At the tip of the nail we will be using glitter. We use 3 different glitter colors, and the MOROVAN and the HAVENFLY blended really well. Let me know if you agree down in the comment section. First, I was thinking that I was going to use just one glitter, and then I remembered that I had hella glitters to incorporate in the look. So I'm like, okay, let me try to put all 3 of them in this little section. I should have moved the blue down and then thus moving the yellow down so I had more room, but I think it all came together, so it's okay. In case you're wondering, I did apply the AB base gel before I put on the glitters, and that's what I'm applying the glitters with. So that's what I'm doing for the pinky nail as well. And then this will be a glitter ombre. So we're going to go from the bluish iridescent color to the yellow and then to the pink. I was so torn when it came to choosing a pink for this nail design. I couldn't decide if I wanted to use the ones on the outskirts or the one in the middle. I did try the one in the middle at first and I saw it wasn't shining and glistening like the outskirts. That's when I went ahead and changed it. It is a lot going on this nail, but not really. We're going to do a half and half. One half will be 3-part ombre gel, the other half will be 3-part ombre glitter. In case you are wondering, I am curing in between each color because if I don't, I'm definitely going to mess up, and I do about 15 to 20 seconds, not a long time. So on this nail, I should have did less blue, more pink, because when I put the yellow on, you can barely see the pink there in the middle. I still like the nail set all together. It all came together really nicely. I just wish I would have tweaked it a little bit. I didn't get to get as much pink into this design as I would have liked, which is why I decided to do the thumb, a full solid pink nail, and then we're going to bling this baby out. I'm not going to talk through that because it's self-explanatory. I do want to thank you guys for clicking on my video and watching it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you're notified of when I next upload, and I will talk to you guys next time.